Here's a pair of the TOZO NC9 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony smart TV. This is the Sony TV that has Google TV. So the first thing is, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on our Sony TV. So if you have the settings button on your remote, you can tap on that. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on your remote, and then you want to navigate to the settings icon. So from here, I'm going to go up and I'm going to keep going to the right, all the way over right there. And then from here, make sure all settings is highlighted. Click on OK right there. Now left pane here, what we're going to do is we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. OK on that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And then we're going to go down here to pair accessory. Click OK. Now searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So we got to hurry up and put these in a pairing mode. Let me go ahead and open these up. And then as soon as I open these up, give it like 3 seconds. And if you have 2 blinking lights like this right now, it'll mean it's in pairing mode. Okay, so you want 2 white lights blinking simultaneously on both earbuds. Mine stopped here. The reason why mine stopped is because I'm paired to another device that's near me. So I have to manually put this in pairing mode for myself. So there's a button on the back here. The buds are in the case, the lid is open. Let me press and hold for like 7 seconds or until I see both of these blinking. Ready, set, go. Press and hold that button. I'm gonna keep holding. Just wait till I get a white light on both of them. There we go. Now let go quickly. I don't wanna hold too long or I'm gonna reset the earbuds. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? And now, give it one moment here. What do you know? TOZO NC9 right there. Let me go down. Let me select it. It says pairing. We should get a pairing request here. Oh, pairing request. Just go ahead and pair. Switch the audio to TOZO C9 so you can see down there. And now we're connected. You can see under accessories, if I go down to the TOZO, I'm connected because I can only disconnect it. If I go down to the other headphones or earbuds I'm connected to, I have to connect. You can see, but the TOZOs are already connected because I can only disconnect. Anyway, pretty simple. If you have issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look in the link below in the description area.